Welcome to Guide Guru. We hope this video helps.
You'll start by confirming prerequisites, then take the first actionable steps. Make sure your iPhone 16 Pro runs iOS 18 or later and that Apple Intelligence is enabled. This gives you on-device features and cloud assist. Once done, sign into your Apple ID, then enable Siri and personalization in settings. Those toggles let Apple Intelligence learn context. Next, connect to a stable Wi-Fi network and grant microphone and location permissions when prompted, because these allow real-time suggestions and accurate responses. Now you'll configure and train Apple Intelligence to work for you. Go to Settings, tap Intelligence, and customize how it handles memory, summaries, and writing. Make sure you permit access to mail, messages, and photos so suggestions can reference your content. This is why you grant permissions. Then actively use it. Ask multi-step questions, request drafts, or have it summarize long threads. When it errs, correct it so the model adapts. This hands-on training improves relevance and speeds up future tasks. Finish by testing practical actions that show Apple Intelligence is working. Try summarizing an email, generate a message draft, or ask for a concise itinerary. These confirm integrations. If features lag or fail, first reboot the phone and check settings to revoke, then re-grant permissions. Make sure background app refresh and network access are enabled. If problems persist, reset intelligence settings to default to clear corrupted preferences, and then contact Apple support for account-level issues. This step fixes stubborn sync errors.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.